Yeah, you may have, if you
When
may have multiple dependencies, you can add. That's why it's saying the dependencies. That means you have multiple, you may have the multiple dependencies, right? It's not like
because
that there is only one dependency can there is no rules of that.
there are like five options for the payment part. They have PayPal, they have cash, they have
No,
Venmo,
those are
Zip.
not dependency, right? So, I mean, yeah, there are 5 options. If you want to write down the user history for the 5 options, you can. But if you have multiple 2 to 3 dependency for to execute that, I mean to add the address, and for that you have the user history. You can mention that user history also. If you have another user history, you can use another user history also. So those user history will be go into the your dependency.
So they're all independent, but I only add these dependencies like for the address and for the create order.
Yes.
Okay. I think we have other people here. You can also check their user stories. If I have
Yeah, I
any
think
problems,
I think you have already the all the information. So, okay, so you can
yeah.
update based on the your feedback. Then uh, we'll see.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Let me stop sharing.
Okay. Then who is going next? Famid.
Yes, buddy, let me share my screen. Give me 1 second. Yeah, these are all the user stories under user thing by feature number 22. So
Okay.
do you want me to click from the beginning step by step or what?
Yeah, just go one by one. I'll just go over
Yeah.
2 to 3 user stories so that I can get idea. Okay. So as a buyer, I should be able to register on the staging. You don't the same thing. As a buyer, I should be able to register on staging ecom.textofore.com. You can say that as a buyer, I should be able to register on the user panel or buyer panel,
Okay.
right? Like as a
Mhm.
buyer, you can register into the buyer panel. So register on buyer panel to access all the products on the website. Okay, or you can say so that you can so that I can access all the products on the website, whatever. But okay, this is like without registration, you can also access the products. By the way,
Okay,
right?
you can. Okay,
So here you can say that as a buyer, I can register so that
I
uh,
can make purchase.
um to purchase you can or I can say that I can log into my buyer panel.
Okay.
Okay, then the prerequisite is buyer must have a valid email. Okay, valid email, name, though you cannot verify someone's name, but still you can say that valid name, email, then also what needs, and um
Browser.
yeah, the browser, the internet connection, those things you guys already mentioned. Okay, then acceptance criteria is given. I am navigated to the base URL when I click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the base URL and I click on register now button. Okay, so try to mention, like if you are mentioning any button name, any element name specifically, then just try to see that if the register now, I think that register now R is maybe the capital, N is the capital, right? So try to give the exactly the element name. If it is how it looks like, try to add that. Okay, and I put my name and valid email address, and also you put the password, right? Then I should be able to register to staging ecom.textofore.com. No, after giving the information, then you are navigated to the OTP page.
Yeah, I mean, I had to write a whole user story for the OTP page. I'll go through that one.
Okay, so you wrote down the separated one, right?
Yeah, by giving the
Okay.
dependency.
Okay. Okay. Then
Wrote
API
the API specification.
specification, API endpoint. Okay. 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 Then go to the next one.
Mm, mm, Not this one. Okay. I'm looking for 24. Here, right there. That's the OTP part.
Okay. As a buyer, I should receive an OTP to the email that used to create the account. Mm, that used to create the account. Um, okay. Okay. As a buyer, I should receive an OTP to the email that was provided to create the account for staging. Too much staging.ecom textfo.com to
I'll
verify
have to
my
take
email.
this part out from the
Yeah.
all the user stories then.
Yeah. Okay. So as a buyer, I should receive an OTP to the email or to my email that was provided to create the account. Okay. And then you can mention so that I can pass that OTP code
I
to
just
verify.
mentioned here right there to verify my
Yeah,
email.
yeah. Okay. Okay. And then prerequisite buyer must provide a valid email. Then also, uh, okay, dependency user story number.
Oh yeah, I
So
mean,
you can
I
put the
mentioned
number
is that
here. Okay.
23. Sorry.
Acceptance criteria given I am navigated to the register page of staging. I navigated to the register page. Okay. When I type my valid email and I click on the register button, then I should receive an OTP. Uh, okay. 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 So as you mentioned here already that you are already that on which number 23 the
Mm-hmm.
user history.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 23 you already just you already added all the information, right?
Mm-hmm.
So after like giving all the information, you are on now you are already into the um OTP page, right?
Yes.
So you can say that given I am navigated to the OTP page, when I input or I put my the what it calls the OTP from my email, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and then and I click on like there is a button maybe the verify or register maybe, okay.
Okay.
Then I should navigate to the home page. If you notice that after verifying the after giving the passing the OTP, it
Mm-hmm.
will navigate you into the home page again. That means you are
Okay.
logged in with logged in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then the
Yeah, see the
API
API
specification
specification.
is a slash API slash user verify OTP blah blah blah. Okay. HTTP method post. Yeah, those thing is just you user from the like Swagger. Okay. Okay. Then go to the next one.
Sorry. Next one is the thing recent OTP, request for new OTP.
Okay, as a buyer, I should be able to request for new OTP. As a buyer, I should be able to request a new OTP by clicking the recent OTP button if the OTP is expired. Okay. Or you can say that I should be able to request a new OTP is so that uh, I can pass or I can use the new OTP to verify my account.
Okay.
Okay. So prerequisite buyer must have provided, okay, buyer B should capital. A buyer must have provided a valid email. Buyer must have previously received OTP. Okay. Okay. Dependency user is 23 acceptance criteria. Uh, okay. Then here the dependency will be the user is 23 and 24. Okay.
24 2.
Yeah, because as you said that buyer must have a previously received OTP. right?
Okay.
So that means
Sorry.
you need to the OTP also. So given I am navigated to the user verification page from when I click on the recent OTP button. Is it a button or link? I forgot. Can you go to
It's
your
a button like thing recent OTP. So it's like
uh,
I don't know, forget the color, but yeah.
okay. Then I should receive a new OTP to the email that was provided to create the account.
Okay, you wanna see the API specification or?
Yeah. Slash API slash user recent OTP. Okay. So yeah, Pratik is working to